be it a laptop, a phone, or pretty much anything else with a battery, all devices are, in a way, susceptible to their batteries swelling. And while it is the most common in older devices where the battery hasn't been replaced in a long time, it can also happen in more modern devices as well. But first off, why does it happen? Well, it's usually due to a buildup of gas happening inside a battery as a result of the various chemicals involved inside. This process is usually accelerated by faults from the factory, as well as excessive heat on the device itself. Though again, there are plenty of reasons why a battery could swell. Say the battery in your phone, for example, starts to swell, and you can see it is by, say, the back of your phone starting to come off. You want to get it taken to a repair center, or get in touch with the repair and replacement service of whoever made your phone, say Samsung or Apple, about getting it replaced. Now, naturally, the cost of this can vary, especially given if your phone is under warranty or not, and also depending on the capacity and what kind of model specifically is required. Now, having your device shipped off is something you want to avoid if possible, because all of that moving around can further harm the battery and be a potential fire hazard. So what you want to do is drive it yourself to a local repair shop if possible, or if you know how to, remove it yourself, with plenty of tutorials on how to do it being available online for pretty much every single model of phone. Once you do have it, you also want to dispose of it safely. Don't just throw it away, because again, it is a fire hazard we're dealing with here. While there's usually some kind of battery collection centers in supermarkets or larger stores, you can also drop it off at most repair stores, and they can also dispose of it safely for you. The last thing you want to do is just throw it away like it's just nothing, because again, it can pop at any instance. So if your battery starts to swell, don't panic, but you want to take some steps to alleviate that as soon as possible. Get it replaced and get an old one disposed of in a safe way whenever you have the chance. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.